Add all of your layers to the project and make sure it has 2 beats like this. Also make sure that these 2 photos are on the same ratio. You can check by going into Edit Shape and checking the X and Y numbers. They should be the same. Now add the 2 photos with the Polaroid, and on this background layer, go to Effects and add Vignette. Make the strength 1 and tint 100%. Now go to Color and make it white. And then adjust the feathers. When you're done, copy the effect. And now on the same layer, go to Blending and Opacity and put it down. Now add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and click Fill Composition Area. Adjust the duration of the rectangle and put it underneath the 3 layers. Make the color black. Now on the rectangle, go to Effects and add Copy Background. Then add Grid. Adjust the width and the spacing to your liking. Now go to Color and make it white again. And now you can also paste the vignette. Unhide the 2 photos. Select the top one and go to Move and Transform and add move keys at the start and end of the photo. On the first keyframe, move it to the right side, but make sure that the edge of this is connected to the edge of the other picture. Now, add this mid-graph and copy it for later. Go to the photo underneath and duplicate it. Now move this to the top and hide it. Go to the same picture but on the bottom, go to Move and Transform and add move keys at the start and end. On the second keyframe, move it to the left and make sure that the edges are connected again. And then paste the curve. Now hide the 2 photos that we just worked on and unhide the Polaroid with the duplicate. Go to the duplicate and go to Color and Fill and make it a random color. Now zoom it out and with the use of Edit Shape, frame it inside. Adjust the X and Y so that it fits inside the Polaroid. When you're done, click on the 3 dots and click Fit Composition Area. And now unhide the 2 pictures and select the 2 with the frame. Click on the second grouping option. And now just zoom it out so that it fits the frame that we just did. Lastly, add a text and adjust your font. Adjust the location of the text and make the color black. Go to Effects and add Roughen Edges. And also add Dissolve. Select the Polaroid with the group and the text and click on the first grouping option. Now zoom this group out. On the same group, add rotate keys at the start and end. On the end, make it +3, and at the start, make it -3. And paste the graph in between. Lastly, on the group, add flip layer. Add an angled keyframe at the start and end. On the end, make it -degrees, and at the start, make it positive. The amount is all up to you. And now paste the graph. Lastly, add 2 emojis of your choice. Click on the first emoji and add blending and opacity keys at the start and second beat. Add this graph. And now select your second emoji and add opacity keys at the start and end. And at the start, make it 0%. And now paste the graph in between. Group everything together. And on the group, add scale keyframes at the start and end. And on the second key, zoom your group in. And paste the curve. Now at the start of the project, add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots and click Fill Composition Area. Adjust the duration and also the color. And now add a circle. Adjust its duration too. On the circle, add scale keys at the start and end. At the start, make sure it completely covers the screen. And now add this graph. Select the 2 layers and click on the third grouping option. Go to the group and add wave warp. This is a pro effect. Zoom the group in so that you cannot see the weird edges. And now duplicate the layer. And on the bottom, adjust the color to a lighter one. And then zoom it out. Now, add a circle on the second part of the transition and adjust its duration. Make the color the same. And add scale keys at the start and end. On the end, make sure it's 0. And the start is all up to you. Add this graph. Go to the group and copy the wave warp. Press and hold on the circle and click on the first grouping option. And then paste the warp. Now duplicate the group. And on the bottom one, make the color the same pink as before. And zoom it in. Now you can add your effects.